Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video has had to deal with a rush and somebody looking to grab onto and applying it with a Bucelle. But before we do that, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
During the week was Bucelle. You can either go into a jut and punch, or just Bucelle, punch. Either way it works. We did this drill, Bucelle, punch. Bucelle, punch, right? So the next one we're gonna deal with is somebody comes this way, over the top. Hands are out. So when he comes, the last thing you wanna do is stay in the middle because he's gonna run over you. It doesn't matter what side you pick, just pick a side. So when he's coming for that grab, step off, go to the side 1 and 2. We're only going to deal with that. We're going to deal with hugs and pulls. I just right now want you to start with it. So he comes, even if you step to the other side, put pressure right back on him, right? Turn and hit him. You okay with that? So again, from a front stance, from a side neutral stance, from a flat neutral, I don't care which one you do, right? Step to it, hit him, and hit him again. Just turn into that second punch, okay? Do not let them grab you. Go to work, same thing. So there was a question before. You get people, they just run at you here. But if they're coming in here to grab you by the throat, if it's a tight two-hand grab, it's a one-hand grab, right? Because they both come up the line. It doesn't matter what side I go to. So when he comes with the two, it's going to be the same thing. So I'm not going to use the Bucelle there, right? I could use the Poxal, right? I use the Poxal Chinsal. And the one we're going to do now is the same as the step line with the Bongsal. So the next one going to come off the line is the Bongsal. I'm picking a side 1 and 2, right? So again, it's Bongsal Opsal 1, whether you two-piece it or use the elbow. So we trained this drill, right? Was Bongsal Opsal, punch. Step it off the line, Bongsal Opsal, punch. So he's putting pressure on me. I step off the line with the Bongsal and follow it up. He puts pressure on me. I put it right back on him. Again, the whole week was do not get grabbed. All right? Do not get grabbed. All right, go to work, same thing.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.